We are in a nice garden. We have flowers, people walking their dogs, and even little tiny squirrels in the statues. So now we're gonna test this microphone to see how far it goes. I'm gonna go all the way to the end of the road to see how far this microphone goes. As you can see, we're right next to the wheel now. A kind of far distance. We have some flowers here and just beautiful grass and road. It's a nice little path up here. Here we go, all the way. A lamppost. Who would have guessed? Who would have known? A little tree. It is kind of hot outside, so it's nice and sunny. Let's see. And here we are at the Leash and Curb Your Dog. And that's the end of our session. Now we're coming back to see. Coming back with style and glee. And yep, here we are in the grassy little area of garden, the little path. Purple flowers, a wheel. And here we are back at the start. And here we have a guest speaker, and we're gonna see how good this is in interviews. So sir, how is the weather today?
Well, it's hot today. It's probably almost into the 90s right now. Fortunately, we're in a beautiful little area where there's a lot of shade in here.
And there we have it, folks.
This is it. This is a great microphone. Not only does it have a USB to actually play the actual recording too, but it's going to capture everything. So we're going to plug this into the camera. So prior to this, they gave you a bunch of little accessories too. The casing itself, charging devices, and other stuff. Just make sure that you have this set up prior to even starting your broadcast.